In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the header and footer on one page in Squarespace. If you're building a distraction-free landing page, a full-screen gallery, or a password-free preview page, hiding the site's header and footer on just one page can make a big difference. The header usually holds your logo and navigation, and the footer often includes links, social icons, and legal text. Today, we'll turn those off for a single page without affecting the rest of your site. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard and head to the website section. This takes you to the area where you manage your site's content and structure. From there, go into Pages. You'll see your page list organized by main navigation, secondary navigation, and possibly a not linked section. Find the specific page where you want a clean, distraction-free layout. Hover your cursor over that page title and click the settings icon that appears. This opens the page settings panel, which is where Squarespace keeps controls for things like basic info, SEO, and advanced display options. We're not changing the page content here. We're simply adjusting how the page is framed within your site. Inside the page settings, switch to the navigation tab. This tab includes visibility and display options that affect how the page interacts with global site elements. Look for the toggles labeled Show Header and Show Footer. Turn both of these off. As soon as you do, the site-wide header and footer will no longer appear on this specific page, giving you a clean canvas that puts full focus on your content. Close the settings panel and preview the page to confirm the result. On desktop and mobile, you should now see your page without the top navigation or bottom footer. This is great for focused campaigns, event registrations, or hero-style layouts. Just remember that without a header, visitors lose easy access to your site menu, so consider adding a clear button or text link within the page content that guides users back to other parts of your site. If you change your mind, repeat the same process and toggle Show Header and Show Footer back on. The setting applies only to the page you edited, so the rest of your site will remain unchanged. Also note that some site-wide features, like announcement bars or third-party overlays, may still display based on your theme or integrations. If you need those hidden too, that's a separate customization, and that's it. With just a few quick adjustments, you can hide the header and footer on a single Squarespace page and create a cleaner, more focused viewer experience.